Hello, this is the skill 4, okay? Skill 4, map reading skill 4. And this one maybe you are really hard to comprehend because there's no line for you and listing number or logging number to you, okay? But indeed, you can guess it, okay? Because for the 2H1, which is 011814, then you can comprehend this one should be 01 and this one should be H1. Okay, so accordingly, what we are going to find is this line indeed. Okay, this path. Okay, why? Because wait a minute. Because it is asking for 005 819. Then you can find out this one is 005 around 00 is here, okay, and then 005 and 81 what 819, yeah, which is all almost there, okay, almost the margin. Okay, so you are going to measure this, okay, and I can first of all maybe we are going to measure the vertical distance first, and indeed how to calculate the gradient. It is like this, okay. Always the gradient come out like this, and how to calculate x, okay. X is always horizontal equals to horizontal difference minus, not minus, divided by the vertical differences. Okay, so accordingly, you're gonna find out how is this look like, okay? And how to find out the horizontal difference, definitely you are going to measure how long is it. And then for the vertical difference, this is relatively easy, okay? Yeah, because you know, if it comes to a, how say, a not a curved line like this, okay, you are very headache, but you're gonna do it, okay, low method, okay. Bring a not bring a ruler, I mean bring a tear off the edge of the question paper and then measure it, okay, low method, okay. But for here, for the vertical difference, okay, it is easy to measure, okay. How? Because right here it's already 2h1, and then what we're going to do is just going to find the vertical, the height of here, okay, the height of here, which is 100, and then you can see 80 just believe, okay, and then 40, 60, 40, it should be 40, okay. So the vertical difference will be the okay, will be the 2h1 minus 40, then this is around 241, okay, meters. And then how about horizontal? Horizontal will be, definitely you have to measure it, okay. How to measure? Because of time, I think it should be around HCM, okay. Right now I'm really going to for here it is more or less as same as the A4 paper, okay. I'm using 100 I'm not using 100, but right here is 100, okay. If you 100%, okay, if you are going to measure it, then I think it should be HCM, around HCM, okay, yeah. And if you are going to times it, and it will be not HCM, sorry, wait a minute, let me have a calculation. hold on, okay, I'm still here, okay, but I really need some calculation and I really have no time to cut this sound, okay, you can skip it until I'm really making something useful, okay, sorry about that. Okay, I have finished my calculation. Around it should be 5 cm. Okay, I make a calculation mistake. Okay, it should be 5 cm. Okay, if you going to measure it, it's more or less like here. Okay, more or less as long as here. Okay, as long as one digit, one square. Okay, one side of the square. So I have measured it around 1 km, which is 5 cm, and then 5 cm times 200 m. And then it should be 1 km, okay? And then what we are going to do, 1 km divided by 241, and then it should be, okay, around 3.98, okay? Yeah, I know it's not exactly the 3.98, but it's quite definite, quite significant that this trail, okay, I'm talking about this trail. The length of this trail is almost alike with a side of the square. So I think it should be boy, okay, boy, okay. It's a bit straightforward, but yeah, you're gonna measure it somehow. It's annoying, I know, okay. And then next right here, okay, which is talking about the the size between two hills, okay, two hills, okay. And what is the two hills? The vertical difference, okay, refers to, again, 1 to x, and then horizontal, x equals to horizontal over vertical, okay? Then, so first of all, we're gonna have the vertical first. What's the vertical? Vertical is quite straightforward because it's just 275 minus 200, okay? Which should be 75, okay? How about the horizontal? Can you calculate it? Can you measure it? Yeah, 75, sorry. And then I'm doing my calculation too because I need to measure at the same hour, okay? Wait a minute, really need some time for calculation. And also, I think I will measure this line, okay, which refer to here. I need to clarify where should I measure, right? Okay, it should be the 275 is, yeah, so hard. It's jumping. Be careful, not the straight line distance. I think you should know it. Okay, I have told you so many times. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, if you make it like make it in a straight line, I think it is more than 1 okay, 1 kilometers, okay, because right here equals to 1 kilometers, okay, then I think it should be longer than 1 kilometers, isn't it? Okay, then after my proper calculation, it is around 1220, okay, around. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to make it back into the figure. How about I just write it? Okay, wait a minute. Right here, yeah, 1220. Okay. which is around 6 cm and 6.1 cm, something like that. Okay, then the answer should be 1 to 16.27. Okay, yeah. Okay, if you are good at measuring, then it is no big deal. Okay, bear in mind this kind of calculation. And then let's move on to here. Let me erase something out. Red, thread. Okay, let's go to the 1997, okay, which is talking about the 008901, 008901, 008901, right here, okay, and then until 337 spot height. Where's 337? Oh, right here. Okay, and then the thing should be like this. Okay, the chair should be like this. Okay, then first of all, again, vertical different first. Okay, let me erase this. But I would like to give you back the equation. Okay, horizontal x equals to horizontal difference over vertical difference. Okay, and then horizontal, then measure this, and then vertical, which is 57 right here, until how high is it? 100, 800, because you can see 100 is a bit bold right here. Okay, 100, 860. My 100, my 800, okay, 180, and then 60, and then 40, around 40. Let me check it once again. 180, 40, 80, 60, 40. I think it should be 40. Okay, so the vertical should be 57 minus 40. Okay, then how about the vertical? How horizontal? I mean, sorry. How about the horizontal? You gotta measure it, okay? Then I need to measure it as well. Wait a minute. Again, I think it is longer than 1 km a bit, okay? Yeah, 1 km is like this, okay? 1 km is like this, okay? Then definitely it's longer than 1 km a bit. And then I think it should be 1.2, 1.3, something like that, okay? Then, yeah, my calculation is around 6.1 again, okay? Yeah, sadly it's 6.1 again. So, my calculation of here is around 1262 m. Okay, so the answer will be 1 to 3.75. Is it? Let me double check. Not really. What? Not really. Wait a minute. Let me check it through. No. See. Yeah, my math is bad. Okay. Yeah, it should be 1 to 72.25. Okay, then this is how the thing's working. Okay, every time I need to do this equation. Wait a minute. Okay, then move to next one. Okay, 99 question, 1999 question. Okay, and then let's see, which is talking about the the trigonometric station of 291. Okay, 291, which is right here. and then which is going to 21061. This 221, then 210681. 210681 right here. Okay, then oops, I'm having some deviation here. One more time. Like this. Okay, then you can find out that the vertical difference, which is 1 to x again, equals horizontal distance, x equals to, horizontal over vertical. And then vertical equals to 200, 180, 160, 140, okay, which is around 140, okay. I think right here is 140, isn't it? Let me check another one. 160, okay, because the Leo one show that is the 160, okay. So it should be, for the vertical, it should be 291 minus 160. Okay, how about horizontal? Let me calculate this first, okay? Yeah. How much is it? It should be 131, isn't it? Okay, my math is poor. Then, next up, then after this calculation, okay, after the calculation, I think I will have around 1 cm, well, around 1 km, yeah. Because it's a bit tricky, because I think it should be calculated right here. Okay, calculate right here. Okay, then which is less than 1 km indeed. Okay, less than 1 psi. Okay, then after calculation, then it should be, let me check one more time. Yes, it should be C. Okay, indeed it's shown here. Okay, yeah, C. Okay, and I approximately can calculate which is around 1 km indeed. Okay, around 5 cm, which is about a 9. So again, you can see time after time, each is even you don't have the proper ruler, okay, but I really suggest you bring the ruler indeed, okay. But you can refer to the 9, how with the grid 9, I mean the grid 9, okay. 1 square of grid 9 equals to 1 km, so you can take it as a reference point for calculating the differences, okay. Let me again do the same thing again. It seems I can do this. No need to. Yeah. Also going to erase all the thinking. Next. Which is talking about the Mahang prison. Okay, with the trigonometric station 3x6, which is here. And then the whole thing should be like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Then again, you can approximately think that, oh, this is around 1 km, around 1 km all the way. Okay, yeah. 通常都係1 km， 即係你講起時間上嚟咧，搏一搏1 km 咁計一計佢，未必都即係真係講時間啦。In English, okay, if you are really this question, I think you can really leave until the latest moment to do it. Okay, if it's really running out of time, just calculate 1 km. Okay, yeah, but it's not really a good method, okay, for real, okay, but just if you are really running out of time, you can try this, okay. So what are the difference of height? Let's see, okay. Let's see. Wow, it's a bit hard to see because it's too small. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, wait a minute. So you can see right here to here. And then now this is 200 lah. And then this is 100 lah. 100 is right here. Wow, very difficult to see. 100 is right here around the standing gap row. Okay, for real, you can find out the 100 contour line passing through the standing gap row. So the Mahan preset is right below the 109, and then 80, 60. I think it should be around 60. Okay, around 60. Okay, around 60. Around 60. So accordingly, by means of calculation and that equation again, then it should be vertical will be 3x6 minus 1 minus 60. Okay, and how about horizontal? Again, you can refer to, this is also around 1 km, isn't it? Okay, but yeah, but play safe lah, huh? Okay, you gotta measure it. Okay. Let me do the math first, okay, and then horizontal. Horizontal. Okay, I'm measuring. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It is around 1 km, I think, okay, because I found that it's more or less approximate like here, okay. I for my measurement, I just found 5 cm as well, okay. A bit more than 5 cm, I guess it is 1050, okay, which is 5.1, okay. So accordingly, if I'm doing the math and then using 1050 minus the divided the 3206, it should be boy. It should be boy, okay, yeah. And then it is right after I have checked the answer, okay. Then this is the way for working for the vertical gradient, okay. Next up, this one, okay, 01. From the 山火瞭望台, from the fire lookout, where's the fire lookout? Hello. Right here, okay. Fire lookout, and then we're going to 蘇官佛村. From here, where are we? 9177.喂, it's being cut, or how to see but anyway the one should be like this, okay, but it's hard to see indeed, yeah. The way is like this, okay, then still I can calculate, okay, then yeah, which is right here, the fire lookout should be how much? 400, 420, 440, 460, around 500, yeah, 500. And then for here it is around 80. Are you 80? Hi, yeah, around 80. So the things will work like this. Okay, again, this equation x equals to horizontal over vertical. Then okay, and then horizontal, because 500 minus the fire lookout is around 500 meters high, and then the so-called train is around 80 meters high. It should be like this, and then let me calculate the horizontal part. Wait a minute. Let me calculate number 4. I think it should be around 3 km. Okay, around 2.7 km. Okay, then my calculation is like this. Around I calculate around 14 cm. Okay, yeah, it should be like this, and then after calculation it should be C. Okay, it should be C. Okay, then the answer should be C right here. Should be C. Okay, yeah. Then next one. 1 3. Are you 1 3? 1 3 1 3? Yeah, 1 3. So right here again, which is the which is C. But it is having answer, so that because it's keep ranging around the same thing, so that I'm not really going to tell this one or not. Okay, but O4 you can see this C, so that I'm not really going to talk about this. Okay, yeah, because of time. Okay, I don't want to spend your time that much. Okay, and then four path is having equal length. Which one is showing that having a greatest gradient? Then this one is relatively simple indeed. Okay, you just find out the starting height with the ending height, and trying to find out which one is the having the highest vertical difference. And then it will be fine already. Okay, so the answer should be calculating. The answer should be wait a minute. The answer should be A. Okay, the answer should be A. Okay, because although you may say, oh, is it too this one very high, but indeed this one the ending point is very low. Meanwhile, this one is still above 100. Okay, at least 160. Okay, yeah. So this one is not the steepest. This one is the steepest. Okay, yeah. Okay, A. Then this one PP. Okay. For the PP, indeed, I have give you all the answer already, so that I'm really going to have a quick glance with you only. Okay, so for here, you're gonna be careful about the where is the exact area of the section of width from grid reference 9977776. Okay, 997. and then 776, okay, which is, I think it should be 997, and then 776. I think it should be this one, okay. Then the path to be calculated should be like this, like this. Hello, where are you? Okay. Oh, before the catch water, wait a minute. I did too much. Catch water, right here. So it should be like this, and which is from 400 meters to the vertical should be for 400 meters to the maybe 100 meter, isn't it? Let's see, around 100 meters. Okay. Then how about the horizontal difference? Wait a minute. Oh, this is right here. Okay. Then yeah, because it's talking about this. Okay. Yeah, about this catch water, and then yeah, if you are going to calculate it again, is it more or less alike with 1000? Okay, 1000 m. Okay, and I calculate this as the 5.4 cm. So the answer should be 1080 over 400, and then the answer should be C. Okay, should be C. Okay, the answer should be C. Okay, next up. And for this one, 1-2, 尖屋村去到計山 okay, actually we have do the similar things before, and then yeah, it's just for your recap. Okay, 計山 right here, 開山 is right here, and then going to 升屋村, which is talking about this. Okay, and then how much is this? The vertical will be 1 2 something, isn't it? And then it should be, for the 尖屋村, it should be 40 meters height. Okay, 40 meters height. Okay, you can see the 100 and then 800 meters and then 800 meters and 400 meters line is right here. Okay, can you see the 400 contour line? Okay, then it should be like this. Okay, and then the vertical distance should be 81 m, and once you are going to calculate this, I think it should be around 2.5 meters. So accordingly, the calculation will be like this. Okay, we should be around 500, 1 to 500 to 80. So after calculation, it should be around C. Okay, also C. Okay, then next. And then for this one, is from the 167, and then to the farmland 069. 065, 069 right here. And then 831. It should be like this. Okay, then what is the average gradient? First of all, you're gonna calculate the vertical difference. Okay, 100 right here, 80 right here, 60 right here, 40 right here. So it should be around 20. Okay, can 800, 600, 40, or 40. This is around 40. Then it should be 167 for the vertical, minus 40 for the vertical. How about the horizontal? How about the horizontal? Then measuring, wait a minute. Which should be around 2.5 meters. Then, yeah, sometimes it's 2.5 meters. Then you're gonna times 200 because of the cell. Then, yeah, it should be 1.1 to 3.6. Okay, C. Okay, as you can see right here, C. Okay, next time I really skip it. This one I skip it. Okay, 1/8. Let's move to 1/8. So, which is talking about the 103.618 to 107.639. Okay, then let's see where's it. 103. Hello, where's 10? Right here. 103.618. 103.618. Right here. Around here. Yeah. And then 107.639. Right here. So it should be like this. Oops. Like this. Like this. Quite a long one. Yeah. What is this? 107.639. 107.639 is quite a long one. Okay, then after the calculation, it should be right here. It should be 180. Okay, right here it should be 180, and then right here it should be around 50. Okay, around 50. So accordingly, the vertical scale is really a hard one. Yeah, it should be 130 for the vertical. Okay, because right here it is 180, and then right here it should be 50. Okay, so all together we minus it together, and then we are having 130. And then how about the horizontal? Horizontal, we are going to measure this length, and then it should be around how much? Around, I think it should be around 13 cm. And then when it is going to times the 200 meters, it should be 2660. Okay, then if we going to divide it, and then it should be 20 something. Okay, it's a hard one for real. Okay, so the answer should be C. Okay, so the answer should be C. Okay, yeah. Any more? I feel tired after doing this. Oh, still have no, and it's the end already. Okay, yeah, my torture already end. Thank you. Bye bye.